Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see about my token, guys. My token is officially closed, but still, because of their lost update, we're gonna see the video today, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so you all know that my token officially closed, and but finally they made an update. Let's see all the details today, guys. Okay, so let's open my token. Okay, this is a my token app, so just logging in with my OTP. Yeah, just logging in. Okay, logging in. So you all know that they given a final update on 14th March. 14th March they are given a final update. So my token is calculating the income amount from the users, and they decided to open the withdrawal. Okay, they said they are about to open the withdrawal on April 1st. Okay, so April 1st they are about to open the withdrawal, and after that March 1st, 1 month they are giving withdrawal for everyone. Those who invested, you can withdraw, and the March 1st they are going to exit the Indian market. Okay, so March 1st, so 1 month timing for the withdrawal, and after that they're gonna exit the market. Okay, they are not running, or they are not going to do successful business in platform. They are going to exit, they are going to stop their business, they are going to exit the platform. Okay, so that's what they are telling. So do you think this is possible? A lot of people are commenting, okay, don't say negatively. If they are not coming also, if they are not relaunching also, fine, but don't say negatively. But whatever things happen, I need to say the fact, right? I need to say the fact. If they are coming, I am also the happy person, because I'm also invested here. Okay, so I'm also invested here, so I'm also the happy person. Okay, so it is like happiness for me also. Okay, so I'm also the happy person for you, like everyone, guys. Okay, so if it is come, I'm also happy, but the chance is very, very, very less, guys. Okay, this is 14th March update, but after that still there is no update from them. Just for manipulating people, they are given this update, guys. Okay, so the fact is April 1st they won't come back, guys. Okay, because already they scammed us, and already they transferred the whole money from this wallet to one scammer wallet. All the money is more than 100 crores of money. Okay, so the fact is they won't come back, and they won't relaunch, and they won't give the withdrawal on March 1st. Oh no, April 1st, guys. Okay, and they exited the Indian market, guys. Okay, already they exited Indian market by transferring all the funds. Okay, so it won't happen anymore, guys. Okay, this is a fact. If you believe, or if you not believe, if you think I am the negative person or whatever it is, this is a fact, guys. Okay, I'm telling the fact. This won't happen, because already I faced like this few kind of investment businesses. Okay, so this is a fact, guys. Whatever it is, if it's true or not, you have to believe the fact. This is what happened. Okay, so this is a fact, guys, and they already exited the market. You all know that. So the relaunch, it won't be possible, guys. Okay, my token withdrawal relaunch, it will never ever possible, guys. Okay, so this is what the thing. So initially I made an investment, I have withdrawn a small amount. That's what I am little bit happy for that. Okay, so here's my income proof in this my token, but what to do, I can't able to withdraw. Okay, so this is what plan is running. Okay, so what to do, just pause it, confirm stop, and again I am making a plan. Okay, right now I have $25.7 totally. Okay, so I am making a plan right now. 3 days 330%. This plan can't able to add, I think so. Okay, let's check it. Okay, let's try to incorrect transaction password. Okay, we'll add another one, 15 days plan. Okay, 15 days plan. Yes, give all and confirm. Okay, the robot is starting, and I'm activating another plan. If it is launching or whatever it is, I don't know. Okay, if it is fact, okay, even if it is launching, I'm also happy the person, but I know the fact, okay, that's sort of thing. A lot of people asking how you know the fact, okay, how can you say like this? But recently, even I also faced like this business before us, okay, so that the fact is I'm talking, guys, okay. So nothing to think about more than this. If it is come, I am also the happy person like you, but the chance is very, 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 not even 0.0001 percentage, guys, to come back to give withdraw. This is a fact, guys, okay. So they won't come back. This is the thing will happen. If it is come back, we will make the withdrawal, guys, okay. Thank you so much. But the finally I want to say that like this, if this kind of platform will come again, okay, like token sets similar like my token came, that token set is coming all around the world, okay. So be safe and share with your friends with be safe, okay. So if like this a project come in future or tomorrow, please don't invest these kind of projects, because these kind of projects don't have any KYC, don't have anything to do. Just by entering mobile number they are giving profit, so you will know about how long they can give this, okay. So please, this kind of projects come in future, don't invest your money, just avoid it, be safe, okay. So thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in another great video.